Shattering new records tonight, our fight with the coronavirus growing more and more critical.
The new data we are seeing is the threat we've been warned about for months. The more who become sick, the more will die. Tonight, Illinois reports 168 new deaths. Our data tracking shows that this number is the highest one day for deaths since May. Other new information shows there are 849 people in hospital beds all across the metro. That's a new record, up from yesterday's record of 841.
There is only one bright spot. We're seeing a very slight dip in positivity rates in Missouri and Illinois tonight, but the numbers remain alarmingly high, with Missouri at 23.7% and Illinois sitting at 12%. We should mention that the CDC and the WHO recommend those be at 5% or lower. Those very high numbers are forcing many area school districts to pull the plug on in-person learning. News 4's Russell Kinsall is in Manchester, and Russell, you're learning people are becoming ill, and that's not the only reason why schools are closing.
You're right about that. Right now, the students here at Southwest Middle School are gone for the day. Starting Monday, they'll be gone for 2 months as the district switches to virtual learning. But I've learned that for some of the districts going to the in-home learning only, it's not just about how many teachers and students are testing positive for COVID, but it's how many teachers and students, for whatever reason, are not showing up to school. The Jennings School District hasn't recorded a single student-to-student spread of the virus, as students have attended 5 days a week. But fear of COVID is taking a toll. 75% of students started the year doing in-person learning. Attendance has now dropped to 40%.
That let us know that our parents were saying, Dr. McCoy, it's time to calibrate because this isn't safe. And we listen and we learn and we lead together.
The Jennings District is switching to virtual learning starting tomorrow till January 4th. Parkway School District Superintendent Dr. Keith Marty told his school board this last night.
This is a crisis that is hitting the whole region.
We checked with some of the larger districts, and this is what we learned. The Parkway District switches to virtual on Monday till mid-January. The Rockwood District is staying with its hybrid schedule for now. The St. Louis School District is taking next week off, then doing all virtual for 1 week after that. And the Hazelwood School District has been doing all virtual since August.
I think it's safer for all of us, kids, and we prefer actually being at home.
Parkway's decision to go virtual is partly driven by the high numbers of students and staff who are absent. Combined, over 900 out for testing positive or an exposure. The district says it can't find enough substitutes, and attendance is down 20 to 25%. This comment was at Tuesday's board meeting.
Yesterday, when we received the attendance report, which arrives at 4 a.m. the next day, we experienced the lowest attendance rate thus far.
But during virtual learning, teachers in the Jennings District will be paying close attention to the social and emotional well-being of their students.
When we are virtually learning, we're looking at our kids' stress. We're looking at how the environment sounds and looks, if they're washing their teeth, brushing their teeth and washing their faces and so forth. And the social learning and social emotional component is essential.
Some of the parents here said they weren't happy about going all virtual. Most said that they're okay with it. They know the students would rather be here with their friends, but they believe it is safer for their kids to be learning at home right now. Live in Manchester, Russell Kinsall, News 4.